So here is Snapchat and how to restore snap streaks. So this is a new feature which just become available just a few days ago. So what are snap streaks? So basically you will see this fire icon next to your friend's name on the chat screen. That means that you and your friend on a snap streak, meaning that your friend has snapped each other, not chatted within 24 hours for more than 3 consecutive days. So so it means not chatting, not sending messages, but sending snaps and for 3 consecutive days. So not just for 1 day, for 3 days during 24 hours. And then the number tells you how many days you have been on a streak. Number 8 means 8 days, for example. So to keep the snap streak going, you just need to continue sending snaps. So yeah, if you see this icon like a sand clock icon, it means that snap streak is about to expire. But there is a new feature which they just added, is snap restore. So if you want to prevent snap streaks going to waste, you will have to buy a restore, and then it's like $1, and then that snap streak not gonna expire anymore. So yeah, and then Snapchat Plus, you will be able to freeze their streaks for longer periods soon. This feature will be available for Snapchat Plus subscribers to freeze, but you will be able to restore. Just every user will be able to do it.